long time ago, before the ancient paradise fell apart. When the elder deities were still in charge of the world, there's a mystery place that everyone in the ancient paradise wanted to seek in. The land of dreams. A place full with daydreams and the beautiful musics. If you enter there, you can be anything you wanted to be. Ithanlia, the young deity of dreams and slumber, the leader of the land of dreams, knitting dreams for everyone when they fell asleep. She'd love to invite everyone to her territory. The times that she spent with the Paradians was her most unforgettable memories. But since the ancient paradise fall, because of the one who named the purest one took over the control of the world, the ancient paradise break apart into different domains. After the purest one got defeated by the orphans of elder deities and the fiend deities together, the domains became each different countries named by their leaders. Ethan's Kingdom, Desmort Empire, Shonen's Republic, Ventes Kingdom, Paradite's Republic and Monocolor Republic. Ithanlia moved to the Ethan's Kingdom with other orphans of elder deities. But she fell into a deep sorrow. Her sorrow took over her sanity and created an inner world in her territory. The Anti-Dreamland, also called the Torment Paradise. Ithanliel forced the people that cause lots of crime to deep slumber and lead them to the Torment Paradise, which looks like the true land of dreams, until they find out that this place neither the true world nor the true land of dreams. Ithanliel start to torture them again and again, made them awaken in a sudden and still trap them into the dream she made, again and again until the criminal break down. She'll kill them for the last time. And when they finally get back to the reality, they already died. The elder twin sister of Ithanlia, Ithanlis, the deity of death, will throw them into her territory, the land of death. The eternal torment awaits.